What if your brain wasn't aging, but fading? Not because of time, but because of silence. The silence of not learning. Each day you don't challenge it, your brain begins to pay a price. The human brain loves novelty. Every new word, new path, or new idea creates fresh connections, strengthening the brain like a well-trained muscle. But stop learning, and the brain begins to shut down. Connections fade, neuroplasticity slows, memory becomes unstable, and the worst part, you don't feel it until it's too late. Studies show the hippocampus, your memory center, can shrink from inactivity. You lose not only memories, but clarity, decision-making, even emotional balance. Learning isn't luxury, it's survival. A silent brain begins to decay, routine becomes poison. Without mental stimulation, your mind starts collapsing from within. But there's hope. The brain can recover. It's called neurogenesis, your ability to grow new brain cells and create new connections.